What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Guns, and today we are going to be taking apart the magazine to a Taurus Millennium G2. So this is the pistol here. We're doing the magazine. Some tools you're going to need: a punch or an Allen wrench, something that has a little bit of depth and strength to it. You'll want a clean brush that hasn't been used with solvents or oils or anything. I'm using isopropyl alcohol, 91%. It cleans what you need to and dries pretty quickly. And then a fresh, clean cloth. Alright, so these get dropped, kicked, stepped on, whatever else, very neglected, and need to be cleaned, religiously like you do your gun. So, to take it apart, you'll look on the underside here. There's a little hole. There's like a button on the base of the spring there. So basically you just push it in and then slide the base plate forward. Now keep your thumb over the opening of the mag tube there, because when you take this off, the spring is going to try and launch out at you. So oh, I'm sorry, this one actually has a holder in it. It'll hold it in place for you. So that means we've got to basically pry forward the base plate of the spring. There we go. And we can remove the spring. Follower came off. The spring is attached to a little hook there on the back side of the spring, the plate. So just kind of twist it out and take it off that way. The follower, it just rests on there. There's nothing special to it, so just take it off, and then you've got the spring. This is everything we're going to be cleaning today. Alright, so first we're going to clean the mag base. Get a spray, grab your brush, grab your rag, and wipe it off real good. Alright, that looks good. Grab the spring base. Grab your brush. Right, I'll grab a rag. Alright, doing the spring. I don't usually go at it with a brush. I just kind of put some cleaner on it, and then I'll just kind of follow the spiral and wipe it off. There we go. The follower. As you see, this thing gets quite dirty. So it's right there where everything happens. So go at it good. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's grab our rag. Wipe all this stuff off. Oh damn, I missed a corner. Look at that, that's right where the slide lock gets lifted. There we go. Alright, that looks good. Now let's do the mag tube. Okay. Use your brush. Get in everywhere you can. Get the outside real good. Alright, give that a wipe off. Then I like to just kind of shove the towel in there and poke it through so I can get a good wipe off on the inside. Alright, that looks good. Now, I'm not going to put any oil on this because we don't want oil to attract dirt and dust and whatever else that may try and stick to this. So let's not give it a reason to. We're just going to put this back together. So, grab your spring. You're going to see one side's kind of smaller than the other. Okay? Quite wide, quite thin. The follower goes on the thin side. Okay? And it just sits in there. There's nothing spectacular about it. Okay, the base plate, remember, you kind of have to hook it in like that. Okay, and then we're gonna slide the mag tube over it to get it to seat. And now you gotta kind of go forward with this and slide it back into the slot. Otherwise, or well, you might be able to just kind of tip it. No, that didn't work. So we'll tilt it forward. Get the hook back on there, right? There we go. So we'll tilt it forward, and basically we're forcing this back. Come on, go in. There we go. If you don't keep that spring straight, it fights with you. Okay, so now we'll take the mag base. It's got little slots here to line up the same way you just went in with the spring base. And you just push it over and slide it on until it snaps back into place. Give this one little wipe off. Alright, and there you have it. We have just taken apart and cleaned and put back together the mag to a Taurus Millennium G2. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves your progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you can print your certificate. Then it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at reverendguns.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.